If you're looking for a quick and easy comfort food, these buttered noodles are just what you need. Super simple to make in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite recipe of all time. These simple buttered noodles are not what you expect. It's not just noodles and butter. I add a little more flavor to amp them up, and they're super, super easy to make. So to make your buttered noodles, all you're going to need are a few ingredients. You probably already have them in your pantry. I like to use these wide egg noodles. You can get them in wide or narrow or broad. The wide I feel like is my favorite because it's not too wide. You're not getting too much noodle in each bite. So we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic powder, butter, obviously, some parsley, salt, and pepper. But I've been using an everyday seasoning, so you can really use like any other seasonings that you like as well. If you like crushed red pepper, that gives it a little bit of spice. You can really flavor these up really easily with just about anything you want. So to make your buttered noodles, we're going to add the noodles to the boiling, heavily salted water. You want the water to taste like the ocean. So I like to throw in about like a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of kosher salt to the water before it's boiling, and then I add my noodles. So we're just gonna add the noodles. And you're gonna boil your noodles according to the package directions. Once your noodles have boiled, we're going to drain them and put them back in the bowl, and that's when we're gonna add our flavoring. I'm gonna put my pot right back here because it's still hot, so we wanna take advantage of all that heat. And our noodles are light and fluffy. Just put them into the pot. So now we're going to add the butter. And here you can actually brown your butter in the pan if you want. If you like that brown butter flavor, that's also a great option. Okay, so now we're going to add our salt. Just add a little bit of salt here. And the garlic powder. Use all of the garlic powder. I love the flavor of garlic powder. And our Parmesan cheese. We'll stir all that together. Make sure you get all the garlic powder that gets stuck in the little nooks and crannies of your pasta. You don't want to have a big bite of the garlic powder when you take a bite of these noodles. And last but not least, we're going to add the parsley. I like to add the parsley at the end so it doesn't get too wilted. It keeps that vibrant green color. And then whatever seasonings you're using here, if you're using just pepper, you can add pepper. If you're using like an everyday seasoning, you can add that here. We'll toss that together and then we'll transfer it to a serving bowl and we're ready to eat. So let's add this to my serving bowl. Noodles everywhere. No noodle wasted. And at this point, you can top with more Parmesan cheese and more crushed red pepper or parsley, whatever you want to dress it up. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. This is my favorite comfort food. So perfect, not too buttery, with that hint of saltiness from the Parmesan cheese, and you can taste like the little bit of garlic. It's not overpowering, but again, you can make these basically any way you want. Just season them with your favorite flavors and you will have the easiest side dish or easy lunch or dinner. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.